Good morning, students. Today we are starting the chapter adjectives. So what is adjective? An adjective is a word that describe a noun, or you can say an adjective is a word that describe a noun such as person, place, thing, or an idea. Some of the examples of adjective are color in colors: black, blue, green, pink, size, big, huge, large, shape, boxy, oval, round, etc. Now, when adjectives are used before a noun, they are called attribute adjective, and when adjectives are used after a verb, they are called predicative adjectives. Now, there are 7 kinds of adjective. They are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, demonstrative adjective, adjective of number, possessive adjective, distributive adjective, and interrogative adjectives. We'll start with adjective of quality. What is adjective of quality? Adjective of quality describes the quality of a person or thing. It also describes what kind of noun it is. For example, she told a funny story. In this, what is the quality of this story? It is funny. So here adjective of quality is funny. Indira Gandhi was a popular leader. So what type of leader Indira Gandhi was? She was a popular leader. So in this, adjective of quality is popular. Adjective of quantity. An adjective of quantity specifies the quantity of a thing or the amount of a noun or pronoun. For example, we need little sugar in our milk. In this, little is your adjective of quantity. I ate some rice. In this, some is your adjective of quantity. And it is used with an uncountable noun. Always remember this. It is used with an uncountable noun. Now adjective of number. An adjective of the number tells how many person or thing are meant. For example, he can speak 4 languages. In this, what is your adjective of number? 4. He ate 5 chocolates. In this, what is your adjective of number? 5. And now it is used with a countable noun. We have studied before adjective of quantity used with uncountable noun, and adjective of number always used with a countable noun. Now let's discuss possessive adjective. A possessive adjective shows possession or belonging. For example, this is her dress. And this, what is possessive adjective? Her. This is my bicycle. And this, what is possessive adjective? My. And possessive adjective are followed by noun, while possessive pronouns are not. For example, this is my car, and this my is your possessive adjective. And if it is said like this car is mine, and this mine is your possessive pronoun. Now demonstrative adjective. An adjective used to point out some person or thing is known as demonstrative adjective. There are only a few demonstrative adjectives like this, these, that, those, such, certain, etc. Now for example, these walls need to be painted, and this, these is your demonstrative adjective. That is my book, and this, that is your demonstrative adjective. An adjective which, when used with a noun, asks a question is called an interrogative adjective. For example, whose umbrella is this? In this, whose is your interrogative adjective. Which book do you want to read? And this, which is your interrogative adjective. Distributive adjective. An adjective which refers to each one of a number is called a distributive adjective. For example, every child must be sent for a free medical checkup. In this, every is your distributive adjective. Now, let's discuss degree of comparison. Adjective can be used to make comparisons between 2 or more people or things. So let's discuss this. First is your positive degree. Positive degree, when we talk of one person or thing, we use the positive degree. For example, Rita is a tall girl, and this tall is your positive degree. Second, comparative degree. When we compare 2 people or things, we use the comparative degree. Like Rita is taller than Ria, and this taller than is your comparative degree. Then last is superlative degree. When we compare three or more people or things, we use the superlative degree. For example, Rita is the tallest girl in the class. So in this, the tallest is your superlative degree. And these example like angry, calm, wonderful, angrier, calmer, more wonderful, angriest, calmest and most wonderful these are some example of degree of comparison. So students, now it's time for some brainstorming exercise. So let's start. Identify the kinds of adjective. There is some juice in the jug. A few girls attended the seminar. Those books are of the library. That bus is bound for Pune. So students, give me the answers of these questions in the comment section below. Thank you and have a good day.